Hello friends, today we are dealing with the respiratory quotient. Respiration involves the oxidation of respiratory substrate such as glucose and fats. The oxidation involves release of carbon dioxide along with the release of energy. The organic substances which are catabolized in the living cells to release energy are called as respiratory substrates. Though carbohydrate, fat or protein may act as respiratory substrate, the common respiratory substrate is carbohydrate. Respiratory quotient or respiratory coefficient is defined as the ratio of moles of CO2 produced to the moles of oxygen consumed during complete oxidation of a metabolic fuel to CO2 and H2O. The moles of oxygen required as well as the moles of carbon dioxide released depend on the nature of respiratory substrate that is being broken down. For carbohydrate, respiratory quotient is 1. It is 0.7 for most of common fats and about 0.9 in case of proteins. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thank you so much.